iPad 11th generation retail unit unboxing and first look, a deep dive. Apple has once again captured the tech world's attention with the release of the 11th generation iPad, a device that seamlessly blends power, portability, and style. With each iteration, Apple continues to refine and enhance its tablet lineup, and the latest iPad is no exception. In this in-depth review, we'll take a comprehensive look at the unboxing experience, the build quality, the display, performance, software, and accessories. We'll also explore how this iPad stacks up against its predecessors and whether it's the right device for you. Unboxing experience, a signature Apple touch. The box. Minimalism at its best. As with every Apple product, the packaging of the 11th generation iPad is a testament to the company's commitment to sleek and minimalist design. The box is compact and sturdy, with a high-quality image of the iPad printed on the front. The Apple logo and the word iPad are embossed on the sides, giving it a premium look. What's inside the box? Upon lifting the lid, the iPad sits neatly on top, wrapped in a thin, protective film. Below the device, you'll find a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, a 20W USB-C power adapter, a set of Apple stickers, a quick start guide and warranty information. One notable omission in recent Apple products has been the absence of wired headphones. While the trend towards wireless audio continues, some users might miss having a pair of wired earbuds included. First impressions, design and build quality. A familiar yet refined aesthetic. The 11th generation iPad maintains Apple's signature design philosophy while refining small details to enhance the overall user experience. The aluminum chassis feels premium to the touch, with smooth edges and a sleek finish. Color options. This year, Apple has introduced some vibrant new colors, including silver, space gray, blue, pink, yellow. These fresh hues add personality to the iPad lineup, making it more appealing to a wider audience. Weight and portability. The iPad weighs approximately 466 grams, Wi-Fi model, and 468 grams, Wi-Fi plus cellular model, making it incredibly lightweight and portable. It's thin enough to slip into a backpack yet sturdy enough to feel durable in hand. Display. A stunning visual experience. Screen size and resolution. The 11th generation iPad features a 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display with a resolution of 2360 x 1640 pixels. This translates to crisp text, vibrant colors, and smooth visuals that make everything from reading to video playback a pleasure. True Tone and P3 Wide Color Gamut. Apple has incorporated True Tone technology, which automatically adjusts the display's white balance to match the surrounding lighting conditions. This makes it easier on the eyes, whether you're using the device indoors or outdoors. The P3 Wide Color Gamut ensures that images and videos appear more lifelike with accurate colors. Refresh rate. While the standard iPad still features a 60 Hz refresh rate, the smoothness of iPad OS makes interactions feel fluid. However, those who have experienced the promotion 120 Hz refresh rate on the iPad Pro might notice the difference. Performance. A powerhouse in a sleek body. The A16 Bionic chip. Apple has equipped the 11th generation iPad with the powerful A16 Bionic chip, delivering a significant boost in performance. This chip ensures smoother multitasking, faster app launches, and improved efficiency for gaming and video editing. Storage options. Apple has finally increased the base storage to 128 GB, which is a welcome change from previous 64 GB models. Users can also choose from 256 GB and 512 GB configurations, providing ample space for media, apps, and documents. Battery life. Apple claims that the iPad delivers up to 10 hours of web browsing or video playback on a single charge. In real-world usage, it holds up well, lasting an entire day with mixed usage, including streaming, gaming, and productivity tasks. Cameras. Versatile and capable. Rear camera. The iPad features a 12 megapixels wide rear camera, capable of capturing sharp images and 4K videos at 60 FPS. While it won't replace your iPhone for photography, it's more than adequate for scanning documents and capturing moments. Front camera. A 12 megapixels ultra-wide front camera with center stage ensures that video calls remain smooth and dynamic. The camera automatically adjusts the frame to keep you centered, making it ideal for FaceTime, Zoom, and other video conferencing apps. Software. iPad OS 17 at its best. A user-friendly experience. The iPad runs on iPad OS 17, bringing new features like improved multitasking, interactive widgets, and enhanced Apple Pencil support. The ability to use Stage Manager for better window management enhances productivity significantly. App ecosystem. With access to millions of apps on the App Store, the iPad is versatile enough for casual users, students, and professionals alike. Whether you're drawing with Procreate, editing videos on LumaFusion, or taking notes on Notability, the possibilities are endless. Accessories. Enhancing the iPad experience. Apple Pencil, 2nd generation. The iPad supports the 2nd gen Apple Pencil, which magnetically attaches to the side for charging and storage. It's a must-have for artists, designers, and note-takers who want a natural writing experience. Magic Keyboard Folio. For those who plan to use the iPad for productivity, the Magic Keyboard Folio provides a laptop-like experience with a responsive keyboard and trackpad. It turns the iPad into a capable work machine for typing, editing, and browsing. Connectivity. Staying connected on the go. Wi-Fi and 5G. The latest iPad supports Wi-Fi 6 and optional 5G connectivity, ensuring fast and stable internet access. Whether you're streaming content or attending virtual meetings, the improved connectivity makes a difference. USB-C port. Apple continues its transition to USB-C, allowing for faster data transfer and broader accessory compatibility. This makes it easier to connect external drives, cameras, and other peripherals. Should you buy the 11th generation iPad? Pros. Stunning liquid retina display. Powerful A16 Bionic chip. Improved base storage, 128 GB. Apple Pencil, 2nd gen, and Magic Keyboard support. Excellent front and rear cameras. Long battery life. Cons. 60 Hz refresh rate instead of 120 Hz promotion. No Face ID, still uses Touch ID. No headphone jack. Conclusion. The best standard iPad yet. The 11th generation iPad is a well-rounded tablet that offers excellent performance, a beautiful display, and great software features. While it may not replace the iPad Pro for power users, it is the perfect device for students, casual users, and professionals who need a reliable and versatile tablet. If you're looking for an iPad that balances affordability, power, and portability, the 11th generation iPad is a fantastic choice. Whether you're sketching, typing, gaming, or binge-watching your favorite shows, this iPad delivers a seamless experience that justifies its price tag.